Now just look at these visuals for a second. These images, and even this video, were created completely with AI. And the craziest part is, all of this was generated using GPT Image 2.0, which is now officially available on SeaArt AI. So today, we're going to test GPT Image 2.0 on SeaArt AI and compare it with other AI models available on the platform. First, head over to Google and search for SeaArt AI. Log in with your email, and you'll directly land on the main interface. Here, you'll find multiple AI models and creative tools, including GPT Image 2.0. This platform basically lets you generate images, videos, AI characters, and much more. But in this video, we're mainly focusing on GPT Image 2.0. So let me quickly show you how it works. Simply open it, and you'll instantly see all the features, settings, and high-quality example generations. Then click on Create. I've already generated multiple images with it, and you'll also find all the important customization settings right here. Generating images here is super simple. As you can see, you get multiple model options, and for this demo, I've selected GPT Image 2.0. You can upload your own images and customize things like aspect ratio, quality, mode, quantity, and more based on the output you want. You also get an assistant mode where you can chat with the AI and turn simple ideas into professional cinematic prompts automatically. So I pasted a short idea here, asked the AI to make it cinematic, and as you can see, it instantly generated multiple detailed, professional-level prompts for me. You can generate images directly using these prompts, or even edit them further for more customization. So I'm simply copying the prompt, pasting it here, and sending it. You can also generate directly from the assistant section itself. And now, the generation process has started. Let me show you the final result. So now, our image has been generated successfully, and honestly, the result looks really impressive. The AI generated exactly the cinematic businessman-style visual I wanted, with great detailing and high-quality output. You can also download the image instantly with one click, and you'll even get similar image inspirations and recommendations for more creative results. Now I've already shown you the quality with a simple prompt, but this time let's try something more advanced with a complex cinematic prompt. You can directly paste your idea, reference image, or rough concept here, and then use assistant mode to generate a detailed professional cinematic prompt automatically. And as you can see, the AI has now generated a much more advanced and detailed prompt for me. So I simply used that generated prompt directly from here. And now you can see that our generation process has officially started again. Now as you can see, our final results have been completely generated. And honestly, just look at the quality. The images look incredibly realistic. Everything feels accurate and professional, from the background details to the overall cinematic look. Even the facial expressions, lighting, and visual styling are generated really well. Personally, I found the results super professional looking. You can clearly notice the level of detailing and realism in every part of the image. And of course, you can directly download the images as well. So now you've seen how powerful the tool is, especially with complex prompts and detailed cinematic generations. Along with that, you also get preview options, recommendations, and additional creative suggestions that you can use for even better results. So now you've already seen the results of GPT Image 2.0, but let's compare it with another AI model using the exact same prompt. For that, I'm simply switching the model to Nano Banana 2, while keeping all the other settings the same. You can also increase the number of generated images if you want. And now the generation process has started again. Let me show you the final result. So now, the Nano Banana result is ready, and honestly, it also generated a really solid output. The background, face detailing, lighting, and overall image quality all look quite impressive. But personally, I still feel that GPT Image 2.0 gives a more cinematic and polished look. Especially when it comes to lighting and overall visual feel, GPT Image 2.0 looked more premium to me. That said, Nano Banana is also really impressive. The detailing is good, and you can definitely generate high-quality visuals and text-based designs with it too. Overall, both models perform really well, but personally, I preferred the GPT Image 2.0 results a bit more. And now, let me show you how this tool performs when generating YouTube thumbnails. So generating thumbnails is pretty much the same process as well. First, I simply selected the GPT Image 2.0 model from here. Then I pasted my thumbnail idea, and after that, I sent it to the assistant mode. Now the AI will follow the same process again. It'll turn the simple idea into a detailed professional prompt and generate the thumbnail accordingly. So let me generate it and show you the final result. And as you can see, the thumbnail looks really professional and eye-catching. The lighting, detailing, and overall cinematic feel came out super clean and high quality. Honestly, it looks like a properly designed YouTube thumbnail ready to use. So now I've shown you almost all the major features of GPT Image 2.0, including image generation and model comparisons. And it's not just limited to images, you can also generate videos, AI characters, audio, apps, and much more directly from this platform. For videos, you get options like image to video, reference to video, and even text to video generation. Simply upload your image, add your prompt, adjust settings like quality, mode, quantity, or auto prompt, and then click on Generate. And now our video has been generated successfully. The motion, visuals, and overall cinematic quality honestly came out really smooth and professional. This result was generated using the Start Dream 2.0 model, and you can also directly download the final video without any issues. Along with that, you also get access to templates, creative tools, AI agents, community features, and even earning options inside the platform. So definitely register on SeaArt AI using the link in the description and try GPT Image 2.0 yourself.